Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to pin a message in Microsoft Teams chat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the left side of the screen, we have the activity, community, chat, and the calendar. And in the bottom left corner, we have the invite to Teams and the search bar in the very top of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and pin a message in Microsoft Teams. So first of all, navigate to the chat where the message you want to pin is located. So here we are in the chat on the left side of the screen, as I told you. And when you have a message, of course, they will be here. Then locate the specific message you wish to, of course, pin. Click on the three dots, ellipses next to the message. And then when you can click there, from the drop-down menu, select Pin. The message will now be pinned at the top of the chat, making it easily accessible for everyone in the chat. Keeping important messages front and center just got simpler. So that will be everything for this video, guys. If you could, it would be pretty cool if you could like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you had a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.